After watching the videos on how to don, decontaminate, and remove the DuPont Tychem 10,000 level A suit, it is essential to guarantee its gas-tight integrity. Before starting the pressure test, it is necessary to calibrate the DuPont Tychem Universal Pressure Test Kit. An effective test depends on a properly calibrated pressure test kit. To do this, simply follow this step-by-step guide. First, connect the pressure test kit to the electrical outlet. Then, turn on the air pump to check its operation and immediately turn it off. Connect the larger diameter hose to the air outlet of pressure test kit and secure it. Also, connect the smaller diameter hose, ensuring it is firmly attached. Next, connect both hoses to the self-test device, turn the valve to the suit fill position, and turn on the air pump again. The pressure gauge should register a pressure above 1.80 kPa. Then, turn the valve to the suit test position, turn off the air pump, and adjust the pressure to 1.65 kPa by partially opening the inflation valve. And check if the pressure remains at 1.65 kPa. If the pressure is maintained, the pressure test kit is already calibrated.